Hey you guys, welcome back. So today I am in Homegoods and they have a lot of furniture out, more than normal. So I stopped to look at this little chair. I think this is so cute. It is $3.99, but I really like the style of that. They got this cute little table. The table is really short, kind of like it could be for kids, but the chairs are kind of high, so a little confused by this one. But the table is $179. I think it's super cute. They have this set out. It's a 4-piece outdoor set for $1,500. Okay, I really like this right here. This is so cute. I wish it was purple, but I do like the color of it. And it is only $6.99, and it says, I don't know if that's saying it's from India, but it says India. But that color is really, really cute. Here is another 4-piece set, and this is $9.99 for all these pieces. Here's some really nice accent chairs. These are only $179.99, and those are each. They have the cutest Easter stuff. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Here's some spreaders. These are $7.99. This cute little bunny. Now I'm not gonna pick up everything because, as you can see, it's all breakable and I'm scared. But there's a lettuce plate with a bowl in the middle of it. That's super cute. This vintage style design that they got going on, $3.99. It has a matching picture. I really like these lettuce plates right here. This set of 4 is $9.99. Super cute stuff. Look at him. He is so cute. He has his little legs crossed right here, holding some eggs, some more plates, some pretty glasses, and it has a matching picture. It says hand painted. This is cute. I like these bowls. This is $4.99, and then you have a picture for you to put lemonade or whatever you want in there. Oh, something sound like something broke on the next row. And then here's some sets, 4 glasses.
The other one's like a square set.
What is this? Oh, this is cute. So set of 4 card holders and napkin rings. That's adorable. And that is $16.99. I'm not sure what this is. Egg holder. And it has the little rabbit faces on it. I don't see a price. There's some egg cups back there. Look at the little pictures on those. These are $9.99. Here is a set of 4 cups right here that you can stack. These are super cute. How much is that? Nervous, $9.99. And there's a cookie jar behind it. And look at this. Okay, those are really, really delicate. As you can tell, the glass is thin, so I'm not gonna mess with those, but that's really pretty. It's like a bowl with a stand on it. And look at him. Oh my goodness, I would definitely get that. That is a cookie jar by Nibble Bunny, and I'm sure the let's see how much this is. Oh, look, deliveries. That is so cute, and it's $40. And then look at those cups back there. It says farm fresh carrots with a bunny in a truck. I like that. But this cookie jar is super cute. Oh, this bowl is so cute, and it's a set of 3, and you got different bunnies riding scooters or carrots, walking. Look at him, he got his shades on. That is so cute. Is this a pig with a unicorn horn? Oh my goodness, look at that. And it's a pig. Okay, I've never seen a pig unicorn. Here's another. This is a teapot. That's cute. The head doesn't want to really come off, but that's a teapot and it's cute. They have lots of Dunn.
No.
Let's eat yum. And these are $5.99. Oh, look at this. That's nice and big, and it is $9.99 for that. Oh, this is pretty. This is cute. He doesn't do anything. He just sits there. At first I thought the head came off, but it doesn't, but it's really, really cute. And this is $50 for him. It says handcrafted in Vietnam. Oh my goodness, look at him in his jacket. That is so funny. He is $24.99. That's so cute. Okay, so this caught my eye. Look at the colors on that. That is so cute if you're looking for one of these to put like at the end of your bed or wherever you want to have a little seat. And it's only $129. I think that's really, really pretty. And then you got this little kind of cushion type thing, like from India, the print of that one, and it's on clearance for $75. That's pretty. And look at those. This one has like the gold bottom, and that is metal, and then it has the top that you can sit on, but look at how it's shaped. That's kind of cool. Do I see a price? $99 for those. And you have this beautiful blue one. It's turned sideways, but that blue is so pretty. These are $69. They have lots of cute accent chairs right now. Here's a blue one for $249. And you got this one right here That one is $1.99 for that. Here's another green one. This one is actually Tommy Hilfiger for $2.99. And you got that cute pink one back there. That is $1.99 for that. And there's even chairs for kids, little recliners. Oh, this one looks super comfortable and it's $2.99. These are on clearance. They are Tommy Hilfiger for $89. And then this one is also on clearance for $100. Okay, these are pretty. This gold, I think it's like a train. I don't know if it's for makeup or jewelry. I think it's for jewelry. That's really pretty. And they also have it in this rose gold color and the smaller one. This is $39 for that. Oh, what is this? Oh, how cute. Little unicorn bowls. You can use them as planters. They all have different faces. So that one has a little smile. This one has lips. And this one's eyes is closed. And this is, let's see, $12.99 for that. For all three. Oh, this is cute. $6.99. Yeah, look at this giant llama. Look at him. Or alpaca. He got a beanie on and everything. $19.99 for that. I'm thinking about getting a new chair, but I'm still on the fence with that. But thank you guys all for coming. If you've been to Homegoods, then you know this is a giant store, and it gets so hard to maneuver through here when trying to record. Look at these pillows. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. But I wish I can just show you guys every single thing in here, but we would be in here literally for hours, at least an hour or two. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, they are so cute. Look, she even has a head thing going.